In this lesson, you'll learn how to use Outlook Spell Checker. Okay, let's get started. Let's type an email. Right, if I look at the email now, I can see that I have a red wiggly line telling me that there's a problem with this word. If I right click on the word, I then get some options. The first suggestion that it's made is correct, and I'm going to take that. So I left click on there, and now I can see that the word is now correctly spelled. Okay, let's look at another way of doing that. Let's make another mistake. Now let's left click on the review tab at the top, spelling and grammar. Now the pop-up box is showing me the first spelling error. If I'd made multiple mistakes in this document, it would offer me this one. Once I've handled this, it goes to the next error message until all the spelling in the email had been handled. So it's offering this a couple of suggestions here. I'm going to left click on email. Now you can see these boxes on the right hand side. I can tell it to ignore this one spelling of this word. I can tell it to go through the email, and every time I've spelled a word this way that it thinks is an error, it will ignore all instances of this spelling. If I'm satisfied that actually my spelling is correct, I can add it to the dictionary, so from now on Outlook will assume it's correct. Down here I can tell it to change this one instance of this mistake, or I can tell it to go through the email, and every time I've made this mistake it can go through and correct all of those. But I'm just going to change this one instance by clicking change, and it's done. It then tells me that my spelling, the spelling check is complete, and I'm just going to click OK to that. I can just address the email and then send it off.